Hakapor batap vote MDC Hadien Hills Autonomous District Council hau penai rempang mentaka snem ke Voice of the People Party kala kena bakaladon ke cingla don bori ke babun kidung kersan ke VPP hakabakidan ke pelasya arabor bat kidan ru ke pelasya khang ban lai tap vote habalapan benai ke result ke VPP wat hapdeng ke cing kemilanti bakan job bon
Henry Kalayok ng Prasid.
Kini ke cing syak tompor ne cing syak lebor hakapor tap vote kala pauru ha assembly hakador bar mang tengka mentau snem hakapau presiden ke parti ubalong ru MLA jong kanong krem ulara ikni kamat hakapor bay syem mentah jinyatai halor kamang tengka.
District council elections in 2025 was ensured through effective measures taken by the district administration and the police. So I strongly object to this statement, sir, on the pretext that a free and fair election was happening only in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council jurisdiction. That was not the case in Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council election. I have been telling this and I'm going to reiterate my stand that had there been a free and fair election in Jhadc, the Voice of the People Party would have even captured the executive committee in Jhadc Hills District Council, sir. So, as a party, we have been informed about the kind of tradition, practices, and the culture in Jhadc Hills, where they have a kind of a culture that the village leaders will decide whom to support. And these village leaders will impose on the voters in their villages that they should go for one particular candidate whom the village leaders, not the villagers, but the village leaders. We have registered all these highly sensitive polling stations with the district administration, with the RO, but sadly, sir, nothing. No action has been taken on the part of the district administration and the RO while conducting the recent MDC election. There was many polling stations where there was a vote rigging. Sir, I have with me few polling stations where you will think and ponder how this can happen. In Mulamuno A polling station, out of 609 total votes, valid votes, 593 vote goes to one candidate sponsoring by the village leaders. And out of 604 in Mulamuno B, 589 votes went to the person sponsored by the village leaders. And in Wapung Skur A, out of 782, 656 goes to one person sponsored, supported by the village leaders. And in Khyrwit East, out of 780, imagine what kind of an election is this? 780, 778 go to one person, sponsored, supported by the village leaders. And out of 872, 862 again went to the candidate supported by the village leaders. One of our polling agents in my club, Nartian constituency, was abducted for many hours on that day. And another fellow in Shiliang Mintang constituency was taken by these opponents. They were about to throw him from the bridge. And how can you say that there is a free and fair election, sir? And I have with me also a copy of FIR. There are many, in fact, FIR which we have complained to the police department. And I'm telling you, as a party who represent the voice of the people party, we will not sit idle. We will not leave the stone unturned till the people of Jhadc Hills are getting the opportunity to exercise their franchise freely.
Halor kani ka jing syak tombor ki paid nong tap vote Hadien Hills ka VPP kan penlong ya ka jing yalang Paidbah ka khan retorik mentau benai hakapor Khyrwit bejaman step hayo thamai jowai kani ka jing yalang hakaba endan lang yu uba ardan bat kiwai kinang yalam en yakran ban penlait lu ya ki Paidbah Hadien Hills hakapor election ka sengla airu da ka jing tho chau chief secretary ka jala ban thong da ka jing to kit halor kani ka jing cha haka sengi tavut kata haka arpoi tarik urampang arjar arposan ka seng kala dawaru ban pensitam ki beriu badan keti ban pentikena bahaki election ban wan kimdai bandang dan show ki bakum gidi ki cingcia